always buy quality over quantity. That is why I got this 90-piece VEVOR set. This thing is fully loaded. As you can see right here, you get the T20s all the way up to the T55s. I bought these individually, and individually, you probably spend more money than this entire set. You got your extensions all the way from 15 to 10 inch to 6 inch to 3 inch. You got your adapters, and then you got even more tools on the bottom. Each of these right here in the first 2 rows are the swivels for those tight to reach spots. These things come in very, very handy. Plus, you got the extended ones as well, and the low tops. And then you get these right here. These are some of those things when you need them, you need them. And this is an amazing tool set, amazing quality. Plus, it comes with this awesome box as well. Very strong, very durable. I love these sets. Plus, they are extremely affordable. Right now, they have the best prices on them. Plus, you have many varieties to choose from. There's like literally 6 or 7 different sets, different sizes. So definitely click on the link right there and grab yours before they sell out.